Want to change your Tesco Mobile number? You have two main options: getting a new number or porting your existing number from another provider. As of October 2025, Tesco Mobile handles number changes primarily through its app, My Tesco, or website. Note that in-store and call options were phased out in mid-2024, so the app or website is essential. Let's look at getting a new number first. This is free for pay-as-you-go users and costs £10 for contract users. The change is immediate via eSIM or SIM delivery. Pros include a privacy reset and no downtime, but cons are losing your existing number and potential issues with two-factor authentication. Now, for porting your existing number. This is free, but may require a minimum £10 top-up for pay-as-you-go users. You'll need to get a pack code from your current provider, and the process takes 1 to 2 hours. Pros are keeping your existing number and less disruption, but cons include temporary service loss and the risk of pack code expiry. Let's break down each method step by step. To get a new number, first log into the My Tesco app or website. Then navigate to Manage Account, followed by SIM and Number, and select Get New Number. You can choose from available local area codes, starting with 07. For activation, it's instant via eSIM on compatible devices. Otherwise, you'll receive a new SIM card in 2 to 3 days. Now for porting your existing number, first get a pack code from your current provider, usually by texting PACK to 65075 or through their app. Enter this code in My Tesco within 30 days. Tesco Mobile will verify and transfer your number. Your old SIM will be deactivated, and the process usually takes 1 to 2 hours, but can take up to 1 day. Remember, all changes require strong customer authentication for security. Tesco Mobile recycles old numbers after 90 days if not reclaimed. According to Ofcom's 2025 Communications Market Report, Tesco Mobile handles 8% of the 15 million number ports annually in the UK.